Hey there, creators! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of print on demand. Whether you're a newbie or looking to polish your skills, this is your ultimate guide for 2024. Grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Alright, first things first. What exactly is print on demand? Imagine running a custom merchandise store without holding any inventory. You design, they print, they ship. It's that simple. From t-shirts to phone cases, the possibilities are endless. Now let's get into how you can start your own print-on-demand business from scratch. Choosing the right niche is crucial. Think about your passions, trends, and what people are searching for. Are you into fitness, gaming, or maybe quirky quotes? Once you have your niche, it's time to design. Tools like Canva and Adobe Spark are fantastic for beginners. Remember, your designs need to stand out, so get creative and keep your target audience in mind. Segment 3, setting up your online store. Next up, setting up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Redbubble are perfect for print on demand. I'll walk you through setting up a Shopify store. First, create an account, choose a theme that matches your brand, and start adding your products. Don't forget to write compelling descriptions and use high-quality images. This is where your creativity shines. Segment 4, partnering with print-on-demand services. Now, let's talk about the backbone of your business, the print-on-demand service. Printful, Printify, and Teespring are popular options. I personally love Printful for its ease of use and great product range. Connect your store to the service, upload your designs, set your prices, and you're good to go. They handle printing and shipping, so you can focus on marketing and customer service. Segment 5. Marketing your store and making sales. Alright, your store is up and running, but how do you get those sales rolling in? Social media is your best friend. Use Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to showcase your products. Consider running ads on Facebook and Google. Email marketing is another powerful tool. Offer discounts, create engaging content, and most importantly, connect with your audience. And hey, if you're enjoying this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips. And there you have it, folks. Your step-by-step guide to starting a print-on-demand business in 2024. It's all about creativity, consistency, and connecting with your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!